Kaya, and this is my team, the Turning Gears. We are from Bedford Schools. Our number is 7215. It's been going good. We just have been having a couple of problems with our robot. What's cool about our robot, it has a thing called a bucket arm. It's a little contraption that sucks in blocks, and it will go up and it will tilt forward and drop it off on any height. Even though it's my first year doing it, it's actually really fun to be here and doing this whole thing. I think it's really fun. A good competition is actually really good for everybody. Well, this is Reagan, Maddie, and Gigi, and I love to go to robotics just to see them. It's mostly to compete and have fun, because if you don't have fun, nothing will ever be fun. Next week, we have a Bedford competition, and we're going to do a whole lot of new things with our robot. Yeah, we do plan on going through this all the way to high school, because we think it's really fun and good for everyone, so.